Are you looking for a home in town with acreage and a private pool? This single-family home presents a 2-bedroom 2-bath floor plan that features a renovated pool, 2015, new AC, 2020, and pool cage, 2018. The home sits on over an acre of land with a long private driveway and spacious yard. This home is a straight shot to Naples' most sought-out feature, the beaches. It is also pleasantly located near many of the area's luxurious restaurants and shopping. This gem offers the privacy of rural living but with the convenience of urban location. Put your offers in before it's gone.